we spent the last year working with our colleagues across the group, led by Group Automation, to really explore what this explosion of automation, intelligent automation, artificial intelligence, chatbots, robots, what that means for the finance function. And we've looked at it from the perspective of how can that help us as finance deliver more insightful information back to the business and help our businesses take more intelligent decisions. So we have used the really interesting framework that the group has developed, which really helps business people and people like me who have maybe a finance and accounting and a process background understand what technology can help us do. So we call that the 5 senses. So we look to understand how the new emerging automation technologies can help us interact better with our clients. So where we're traditionally either talking to vendors or talking to our customers' customers in the collections area, how does that help us interact more effectively to make sure that we are using that interaction as positively as possible? We are looking at the service aspects, the technologies like robotics that help us do things better and how that applies across all the processes, purchase to pay, order to cash and record to report. We're also looking at how we use the monitor technologies. Finance is very much involved obviously in controlling a business, so how do we use modern technologies when there's an explosion of data to better monitor the data quality and monitor the transactions in a controlled way? We use the analyze sense. There's been lots of talk about analytics, and that's where we're looking to see how we shift more of our activity that we perform and how our clients can shift more activity towards analyze. And also very important, the 5th sense, and often overlooked, is knowledge. How do we use the emerging knowledge technologies to power the decisions that we make? So we call that framework the 5 senses, and we think about how do we connect those 5 senses to change how we do traditional finance to make sure that we are creating insight and value.